Sophia Christina from Metro Raps, and I'm here with my buddy
Mission Flyer.
And today,
what are we gonna do?
We're gonna get hot and steamy.
Ay, I'm on a mission, I'm fire. I get that target acquired. Claiming you fast when you liar. Watch on speeder right by you. Better rubber off the tires. Smoke clouds when I'm driving. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like whoa. Every day I'm searching road. Hellcat sling low. I go 200,000. Before I hit the nitro. I can hear enough to get close. Jet fuel in the tank. Big blues in the bank. I had to.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great, not so sunshine state of Florida today. It's been raining. I'm down here in Miami at Metro Raps. You can see my car on the window in the back, so you guys know why I'm here. I'm here to bring down the car to get one last wrap, and I'm sure you guys have an idea like how I wrap my cars, but this one's gonna be completely a different idea and approach on it. So it's a little noisy out here, so I'll take you inside. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to record with my voice inside because they're playing music, so you know, copyright. And yeah, so I'll go in. If anything, I'll just play some music or beats or something over the footage. Again, definitely thank you guys for rocking with me. Thanks for watching the channel. If this is your first time, not even your first time, definitely tap that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, future uploads, like, share, and comment on the videos. All right, let's get to it. As you guys can see, I'm here in Sweaty. I'm down here at Metro Raps. I came down to drop my car off to get it rewrapped. So this is the process I do of taking it off.
Talking to the moon and looking through the window in my room. There's so much I love to say, and I don't have a strength to fight. I feel good inside like I've been buried in the grave, and you stepped in my soul alive. You stepped away. Oh, here's to you. I down a couple more to drown the pain. No, I'm not alright. I'm not gonna lie. I give up my life to have you in my life. Maybe in another life, it'd be just you and I never stopped loving you.
steam.
From Metro Wraps, and I'm here with my buddy
Mission Flyer.
And today,
what are we gonna do?
We're gonna get hot and steamy.
Woo! I know you guys, mine was in the gutter. We're getting hot and steamy. We're gonna use steam to remove the wrap off of the car. So we use the hot steam, remove it.
She thinks it's perfect, so I told him I'ma blink up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Coming in, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I been sliding, shaking, moving, I been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever give a I ain't come to argue, let a nigga. They been talking pennies, I need bigger bucks. About to catch a flight, I need to switch it up. Got that black boy joy, might do my dance on him. Take no disrespect, might put my hands on him. Hit this chicken, now she wanna marry me, but she gon' need some closure and some therapy. Came back to the city with my bank account on F. Giving rappers I know they happy that I left. In the south in winter, I just put down my deposit. 82 degrees, I left that jacket in my closet. I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She thinks it's perfect, so I told him I'ma flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, came in with the what's that? Left out with the who she. Laying game like 2D, I been kicking like Bruce Lee. Margarita to the brim tip. Black denim need a slim fit. Same people that I flex.
Gangsta, gangsta. Big gangsta. 100 off just order.